Good morning, children. Okay, in previous classes we learned so many things about our family. In your family, what you are doing in works and how you are helping to your parents. So, next we are discussing in Magna's family how they are doing their activities. Okay, children, next we are going to topic. Now, open textbook. Okay, children, open page number 9. See, already everything is going on well and good in Magna's house. So, she and her parents set some rules for their family to follow. So, here are some of them they are given. Open page number 9. Here they are given some instructions. Okay, keep your finger on these words. How I am reading on the textbook, you have to know. Okay, children, can you read with me? Okay. See, what are the rules they are keeping? You have to read first one. See, try not to spill water or food. And next one, see, place your shoes only on the shoe rack. And third one, see, put away used clothes in the laundry basket. And fourth one, keep all your belongings in their proper place. And next one, see, set an appropriate time to wake up and go to bed. Stick to these timings. Okay. Now I will explain these points. How they are keeping their rules on their family. Like that in your family also you have to keep some rules. Because if you are keeping the rules, it is good for your family. Okay. And in your house also it will be neat and clean. Okay, children. See, try not to spill water or food. Sometimes you fill water and food somewhere places. So don't do that. And next one, place your shoes only on the shoe rack. Shoes or sandals where you kept daily, you have to keep on the shoe rack. Okay. Especially in shoe rack, you have to keep your shoes. And put away used clothes in the laundry basket. Okay. Used clothes, okay, dirty clothes. Like the clothes you have to throw in laundry basket. Okay. So, keep all your belongings in their proper place. See children, in this activity 1.7, here see their belongings they are keep it different places they are throwing. So, don't do like that. You have to keep your belongings in your separate places. Okay, for example, books you are having. Books you have to keep in separate way. And clothes you are having. So, the clothes you have to keep in separate racks. Like that. So, keep that belongings in separate places. At proper place, in your home you have some proper places. So, kitchenware we are using some proper place. And in your bedroom, in your hall, we are keeping our things in proper places. Like that you have to keep. Here set an appropriate time to wake up and go to bed. When we are wake up and go to bed, you have to keep some separate timings. Like morning, every day morning I wake up at 6 o'clock. And every day night I go to bed at 9 o'clock. Like that. You have to keep some timings and stick on that one place. So, here also Magnus they are doing like that. See children, here activity 1.7, here, but we are keeping the timings and we are keeping the rules, but sometimes we are not following. So what happened? So what are the troubles in that? We have to see here. Oh, here comes trouble. Looks like Magnus brothers do not follow many of these rules. Magna have one brother. So his brother, he don't follow rules. So he is throwing everything in different places. See like this. In the picture, circle the spots where the rules have been broken. Okay, in this picture, where the rules broken means, see some things they are keeping different places. So what is that? You have to circle on them. Okay, so you have to complete this activity and you have to send through Chrysalis app. You have to upload this pic after completion of your work. So today's work, you have to complete this where the rules are broken and they are not following the rules. In that place you have to circle them. For example, here see some papers they are throwing here. So that is the one spot. You have to circle that. Okay, children. So today you have to do 1.7 activity. And next one, Meghna's parents are unhappy that the rules set by them are not being followed. Meghna has an idea. So Meghna family, their parents, they are keeping some rules, but they are not following. So Meghna's have one idea how we are doing in our home, how we are following their rules. She knows that. She is given here. See activity 1.8, page number 10. Look at your textbook, page number 10, 1.8. Meghna writes down all the rules on a piece of paper. She also wants to write what could happen if these rules are not followed. Complete the chart for her. 2 are done for you. Here see, in this activity Meghna, what she's done? She is writing the rules on one paper. Okay. And this paper she is using and she is followed that every rule. Here they are given 2 rules. So how they are following? She is writing on paper. Remaining 3 rules you have to complete. What you know, I will explain here. How can you write? You have to complete. Okay, children. Here see. First one, what are the rules here? 5 rules here they wrote. So what are the rules? Completely here you have to write. For example, do not spill food or water. So they are keeping one rule for that. Do not spill food and water and everything. But they are throwing. So what she will do? She has an idea. So what is that? Water or food on the floor could make you slip and fall. Okay, children. So don't for that water or food. She is keep it one place and she is keeping very careful. So then only we don't slip that water or food. So she has that. And next one, place your shoes on the shoe rack. Why we are keeping shoes on the shoe rack? Why they are keeping? Because the house will become dirty if we leave them just anywhere. For example, I leave somewhere places. So what happened? It will be dirty. That's why they are keeping it someplace. The house will become dirty if we leave them just anywhere. Like that, they are given 2 rules here. 2 is done for you and remaining 3 you have to complete. How you are completing I will explain now. So listen carefully. Third one, see. Do not leave dirty clothes scattered around. So what should you do? Do not leave dirty cloths scattered around. Means we don't keep it anywhere in our clothes. We have to keep it separate place. Dirty clothes we keep it laundry basket. Like that you have to complete it. And keep all your belongings in their proper place. Why we are keeping our things in proper place? Because we are throwing at different places. What happened? The room become dirty and it's looking bad. Okay, that's why we are keeping the things or your belongings. You keep it in one place. Okay, children. And go to bed and wake up on time. If you are not going to bed at certain time and you don't wake up at certain time, what happen? You are getting sickness. And your health also spoiled. That's why if you are keeping one set of rules, you have to follow them every day. In your home, not a Meghna's family, your family also need these rules. Okay, children. In which time you are wake up, in which time you are sleeping. Okay, and how you are helping, and how you are keeping your house clean. Why we are doing all this? Because we are keeping our house clean. Okay, that is very good habit. You know already. Meghna's brothers have now understood the importance of following rules. So he is no, but first he know these rules. Why we are doing this? He thought. So Meghna decided to follow these rules. How we are doing this and why we are doing this? She know. So she is explaining her brother. Like that, I am explaining you. So you have to follow these rules in your home. Okay. So that is better for you. We are setting any rules. It is very important for our safe. and a clean house. Okay children, now I think you are understand this topic. So what should you do? You have to complete this 1.7. Okay, so where the rules are broken, so you have to circle this. And activity 1.8, you have to write this. How you are writing? Because if you are doing these rules, what happened? You have to write here. Okay children, see already here 2 there, you have to write these 3. What you are thinking in your mind? Sir, if you are not doing this, do not leave dirty clothes scattered around. So if you are not doing this activity, what happened? So your room looking very untidy and dirty. So write the reasons. Okay. So every 3 have some reasons. If you are not doing, what happened? You have to write. Okay children. Now you understand? Okay. Next session we discuss tomorrow. Okay. Bye children.